Alright, this video is your rear wheel install. I've been getting a couple of comments, got some reading a couple things, whatever, that people are having a real hard time when they're by themselves on the rear wheels and they're breaking their back, and it's real tough. So I thought I would show this. It's not that bad. The technique I have, it works for me, so give it a try. Maybe you might like it. First thing you need, of course everything's ready to get put on right now. First thing you need is some kind of bolt. Okay, I got a spare an engine mount bolt. About 2 years ago I found on eBay somebody selling a box of bolts and fasteners and screws and everything else off of a total T100 Bonnie, and I spent $50 on it, and it's been probably the best $50 I ever spent, because you'd be surprised how useful extra bolts and fasteners and all that stuff comes in. I mean, rotor bolts for your brakes alone I think are $20-25. So anyways, I'm going off on a rant once again. But you do need a bolt, and any kind of bolt. So we got our wheel. We have to make sure the brake is over on the other side, resting. If you can't see, you have the brake boss. We need to get that on. So get that on the frame, and we need our nice and greased up spacer. This one here goes on your brake side. And it's gonna start raining, man. Fucking, I want a garage. Do not want to be caught out in the rain. Alright, here we go. Another example of how quick this can be. And you have your other flat washer, and that's going on the sprocket side. Alright. Now, get all the gunk off. So pass it around. Make sure you don't lose the washer. Get our tire in. Okay. We're going to got a delay. So I'm gonna try to fold my fender over. So we're gonna raise this up a little bit more. That's all the stuff that happens when you buy yourself. Make sure your spacers don't fall out. I have lost a spacer before. Okay. Go. Just keep playing and finagling with it. Now, I'm not going to go through and do the chain adjustment and stuff. That's on some of the other ones. This strictly is to show you how to get your wheel on, so you don't, so you guys don't bust a hump anymore. Big thing, like always, like all the other stuff, just take your time, be patient. No rushes here. Fun to work on the bike. Okay. Now, do not want this brake holder to come out once we start working the wheel. So we're going to take our axle, we're going to put it in the frame just enough to where it rests in there so it holds the balls. Of course, if you go in too far, that's no good. You don't want it touching the wheel. So just enough to keep the brake holder on it. That's it. Don't want it sticking out to where it'll be touching the wheel. Now, I'm going to get this bolt ready. I'm going to have it right by my right hand. I'm going to lift up, get it. I'm going to leave that on there like that. And I'm going to come the other side, get what I need, send it through, rubber mallet. Once again, the weight of the mallet is what sends it through. I'm not a hammer kind of guy on my Triumphs. That's it. I'm not going to edit this video. It's going to continually streaming, so you guys see, no kidding. I had more of a hassle getting my wheel into the fender, as you saw on the chain on, than I did getting the axle through. It's a good method. You're not banging stuff around, you're not forcing things in, everything stays lined up. Just get yourself an extra bolt, put it in here just long enough or deep enough to where it just holds it up for you and it's a guide, and then just tap it on through once you send your real axle through. It's that easy, man. I hope that helps you, and I hope it saves your back down the road, because I know that's a mother if you're trying to, you know, do the old-fashioned horsing it, trying to be a mule. So, alright, talk to you guys later.